What up, everybody? There goes a F-150, 250 lifted right there from Recall Land, USA. The recalls pouring in. In this video, touching on a important recall. I didn't see a video for this, so for customers and techs alike, hang in there with me. This is the block heater cord recall. So a bunch of these cords went out defective, and they could cause a fire if you don't have a breaker or GFI in your garage or wherever you might plug this thing in. And so there's been some problems. So we have to go in and replace this plug, which is usually not a big deal unless it's the Superduties between 2017 and 2019. It's a tight squeeze, man. So here we are under the vehicle, and it's pretty self-explanatory, right? Like this part not hard. Here's where it's plugged in. You just pull out the body panel tool. So I used to pop those out and pull it around. Not very difficult. Up and over the frame, this area. And where it gets tricky though is up in there. And that's what I was like, how the heck do you get in there? The shop manual says, oh yeah, just unplug it. And it is buried. Like that cord is buried way up inside there. There's not a lot of room to get your hands in there. I worked on this for, I forget what it pays. I think it pays something like 0.6 or 7 or something like that. And I was in there for a while. So yeah, I could feel that clip when I pulled it out from the back of the, I could touch it from the back of the alternator. And then once I got that unclipped, I could pull it out. But getting it back in was a huge challenge. You can't fit your hands in there unless you find a coworker with small hands. So here I am trying to fish the new one through there behind the alternator, and this was
can you feel the clip on top of it?
Yeah, frustrating. I've never done this before. Yeah, this one was my first one. I've done some other ones, but this one is the hardest. And what I found to save yourself a lot of time is you're going to have to find a coworker with small hands to reach up in there. This is my coworker, and he's a young guy. He's like 18 or something like that. And he has small enough wrists and hands to reach up in there and put that cord right where it belonged. I couldn't do it. I couldn't get my hands in there. I pulled the wheel well, the plastic off the wheel well to see if I could reach it that way. That didn't work. So yeah, that's what you're going to need is a coworker with small hands. That's the only solution that I have for you. Get someone from the service area, female, possibly, right? Doesn't mind getting their hands dirty up inside there to reach that cord, because for most of us mechanics, most of us dudes, you just can't get your hand in there. It is a challenge. There he is again.
It's a tight fit, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Does it feel like it has a pigtail? It doesn't look like it does. Oh, he got it.
Yep.
Nice.
I don't know which way out of here it goes.
It goes with that.
And so there it is, fit snugly into place. It had to be pushed in there a little farther, and we were able to do that. And now it is a brand new cord plugged into the block heater in a very, very hard to reach, tight fitting area. So I hope that helps somebody out there. If it does, please subscribe to the channel. There's the new cord and how it went up there pretty easy. But yeah, if this helped at all, please subscribe to the channel. Again, hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the like button. Smash it, crush it, pop it like a zit. Whatever you do, we appreciate that over here at the Shaw Family Videos. I'm Russ Shaw. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!